My name's Stephen Carter. I'm the executive chef at Boodles. Boodles is a private members club in London. It's been established for about 265 years or so now. I've been head chef here now for going on 18 years. When I was a youngster, my mother was a great cook. In them days, my family had a small group of hotels. My dad had a pub with rooms. My uncle and aunts had bigger hotels, and I used to work on the weekend. I was a porter, I was scrubbing pans for the chefs, I was going in, I was helping make the prawn cocktails for buffets, and it was just an interesting thing to do rather than playing football with my mates. When I was coming to school leavers age, I had no aspirations to be a chef. I had no clue what I wanted to do in life at all. And it was the head chef at the time there. He said to me, "Have you ever thought about being a chef?" Not really. I might just have a go at that. And I did, and I went to college, and I did my 706 1 and 2. I managed to get myself a work experience. I managed to win Student of the Year that year. I got 6 weeks work experience at the Savoy, and that's really where my career started to take off. I lived in the PM Club, the original PM Club. That's one of my first, because you know Russell? Well, we lived together in the PM Club all them years ago. I worked at the Savoy, I worked for Hyatt at Carlton Towers, lots and lots of things around London. I worked in Michelin star restaurants. I was group executive chef of the Bank Group. I worked for Rocco Forte at Brown's Hotel. And then I went to the St David's in Cardiff. I was executive chef at Selfridges department store. So my experience has been wide in many ways before I came to Boodles. And then settled down into Boodles, and that was 18 years later. I'm still here. I think it's really important to have a really good underpinning of cooking, whether it's been from, I was classically trained, and I think that's by far the best way to learn. If you understand the classics, then you can build in the modern. No chef is ever born, you develop. It's like an artist. An artist isn't born an artist. They learn about colour, about texture, and that's the same with food. And then you develop your own standard, your own passion, and become a chef in your own right in that way. Chef is it's artistry as well. It's creative. I think that's the way how you really sort of develop into a chef. It's in you, but you just don't know you have it in you. It's all about ethics of work. Nothing comes easy. You have to work for everything you get in life. Never believe that it's there for you. It's there to get, but you've got to earn it.